In this video, I will discuss annuities and is it right for you? Coming up. Hey, what's up? Tim with Quantum Finance, bringing you the best investments and helping you make most of your money grow and outlive your lifestyle. On this show, I do a lot of business news along with strategies and stocks, just like this one. So if you're new here, think about subscribing. Warren Buffett said, buy a stock the way you would buy a house. Understand it such that you be content to own it in any absence of any market. A person's investment goals normally change over time. When you are young, you want capital appreciation. You want investments to grow as much as possible. When you become older and approach retirement, you don't have much time left to make money. Your risk tolerance decreases. You want to reserve the gains rather than risk all the gains disappear. A big mistake could be catastrophic. Stock market is a good place for capital appreciation, but every conservative investor who are happy with savings and already don't mind locking up their cash, which is where annuities come in. Annuities, what are they, you're asking? Well, I will tell you. You are signing a contract with an insurance company. You pay a lump sum upfront or a scheduled installment. In return of your investments, you give the insurance company. They will pay you cash either immediately or after agreed upon time. The insurance company invests the money with generating higher returns than it owes you. The difference the insurance company keeps. There are two types of annuities, fixed and variable. There are two ways to pay for the annuity, immediate and deferred. A fixed annuity is straightforward and receives a guaranteed rate of return each year. However, the insurance company may change interest rates yearly or multi-yearly basis. Just because the rate is higher now doesn't mean it's always going to be higher. It could change later to be lower. Read the contract carefully, including any fine print. There is no loss for you on this annuity, even if the insurance company goes under. It is not FDI insured either. The investment generates a lower return than was guaranteed per contract. The insurance company pays you the difference out of their own pocket. The downside, a fixed annuity, is inflation rises, you will be losing a negative return. So if our inflation goes up, you will be losing a negative return on your retirement in this annuity. A variable annuity offers potential higher returns. This does not guarantee any rate of return. This annuity rate is based on how the insurance company portfolio does. Insurance company will give you options of the list to choose from. Insurance company will give you any options knowable, and there's also extra fees and extra options in this one, and massive fees included. The upside is greater than the fixed, but the drawback is you could lose it all, go to zero. Plus it charges you more fees. The variable is more actively managed. The managers must get paid on your retirement and your annuity in this one. You will pay massive fees. One such guaranteed extra feature is the death benefit. The annual will pay the beneficiary of a specific payment, but it comes at a cost called a mortality charge that increases the cost. Why would anybody buy this variable annuity? I will talk about this and other payout and withdraw options in part 2. Please leave a smash like button of what you thought of this video. All suggestions are welcome. Leave comments below. Thank you very much for watching my video. So if you're new here, think about subscribing. Until next video, see you later.